You might think of eggs as just a simple breakfast food, but what if I told you that eating just 2 eggs a day could either supercharge your body or quietly protect you from serious health problems you don't even feel yet? Because inside every egg is a powerful combination of nutrients that can help repair your muscles, sharpen your brain, protect your heart, and even strengthen your bones, especially as you age. Yet most people overlook these benefits. And worse, many are missing out on one of the simplest, most natural ways to stay strong, energized, and independent. If you care about your energy, your memory, your vision, and your future, you can't afford to miss this. Stick around till the end and hit that subscribe button, because what happens inside your body after 2 eggs a day might just surprise you. 1. Boosts muscle growth and repair. Your natural defense against weakness and frailty. Muscle loss doesn't happen overnight. It starts slowly, feeling a little weaker climbing stairs, struggling to lift groceries, or tiring out faster during simple activities. Over time, that weakness steals your independence. But the good news? It's not inevitable, and it can be reversed. Starting with something as simple as 2 eggs a day. Eggs are one of the few foods considered a complete protein, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids that your muscles need to grow, recover, and stay strong. Each egg delivers around 6 to 7 grams of high-quality, easily absorbed protein, more powerful than most plant-based sources or processed shakes. These amino acids aren't just for bodybuilders. They're critical for everyone, especially seniors, because they help repair the microscopic muscle damage that happens every single day, whether you're exercising or just living your life. Here's how eating 2 eggs daily protects your muscles, builds lean muscle tissue, helping you move easier, lift more, and stay active longer, speeds up recovery after physical activity, preventing soreness and injuries, supports joint stability and balance, crucial for preventing dangerous falls, fights age-related muscle wasting, sarcopenia, a hidden condition that weakens millions after 50. Without enough protein, especially complete protein, your muscles break down faster than they rebuild. And once that cycle begins, it's hard to stop without intentional nutrition. Why this matters for your future? Muscle isn't just about strength. It's about mobility, balance, metabolism, and protection against disease. When you maintain your muscles, you protect your heart, your bones, your brain, and your ability to live life on your terms. 2 eggs a day is one of the easiest, most affordable ways to start that protection now. Because the battle against weakness isn't just fought in the gym, it's fought and won at your kitchen table. 2. Rich source of vital vitamins and minerals, fueling every cell for strength and protection. If you think eggs are just about protein, think again. Inside every egg is a powerful cocktail of vitamins and minerals that your body needs every single day, especially as you age. Because staying strong, sharp, and energized isn't just about calories. It's about nutrient density, feeding your body the exact tools it needs to repair, protect, and thrive. And eggs deliver those tools in one of the most natural, bioavailable forms on the planet. Here's what you're getting when you eat 2 eggs a day. Vitamin A supports vision, strengthens your immune system, and keeps your skin healthy. Vitamin D, essential for strong bones, preventing fractures, and boosting your mood. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from aging and damage. Vitamin B12, vital for energy, memory, and producing healthy blood cells. Selenium strengthens the immune system and defends against oxidative stress. Phosphorus builds healthy bones and teeth while supporting kidney and heart function. Why this matters for you? As we get older, nutrient absorption naturally declines. That means even if you're eating enough food, your body might not be getting enough nutrients to truly protect itself. Deficiencies in vitamin D, B12, or selenium aren't just numbers on a blood test. They lead to real problems: fatigue, bone loss, memory decline, weakened immunity, and slow recovery from illness. Eating 2 eggs a day gives your body a compact, powerful source of the vitamins and minerals it's silently craving, without the need for expensive supplements. It's not about eating more food, it's about eating the right food, the kind that rebuilds you from the inside out. Eggs aren't just food, they're real living medicine, designed perfectly for the body that wants to stay strong. 3. Weight loss ally. The secret to controlling hunger and boosting fat loss. Naturally struggling with weight gain, stubborn belly fat, or cravings that never seem to stop. It's not just about willpower. It's about giving your body the right foods that naturally control hunger, stabilize energy, and burn fat more efficiently. And 2 simple eggs a day can make a powerful difference. Eggs are high in protein and healthy fats, but low in carbohydrates, making them one of the best natural foods for keeping blood sugar stable and preventing energy crashes. When you start your day with eggs or add them to your meals, you feel fuller, longer. You're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks, sugary foods, or high-carb meals that spike your insulin and store more fat. Here's how 2 eggs help with weight control. Increases satiety, feels satisfied for hours after eating. Reduces cravings, especially for sugar and processed carbs, stabilizes blood sugar levels, prevents energy dips and fat storage, boosts metabolism, thanks to protein's thermogenic fat-burning effect, protects lean muscle, helping you burn more calories at rest. Why this matters for your health? As you age, losing even 5 to 10 pounds can drastically reduce your risk of heart disease, diabetes, joint pain, and mobility issues. But most weight loss diets leave you starving, weak, and drained. Eggs do the opposite. They nourish, strengthen, and energize you, while naturally encouraging your body to burn fat more efficiently. No gimmicks, no starvation. Just real food doing what it's designed to do. Fuel you, not fail you. If you want to protect your muscles, your heart, and your future, 2 eggs a day is one of the smartest, simplest habits you can start today. Because real strength doesn't come from eating less, it comes from eating smarter. 2 eggs a day isn't just about breakfast. It's about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to stay strong, sharp, and independent for years to come. You have a choice. You can keep doing what everyone else is doing, eating processed foods, skipping real nutrition, and feeling weaker, slower, and older with every passing year. Or you can make one simple change today and start rebuilding your future from the inside out. Because strength isn't lost overnight. It's lost through small habits that drain you, and it's rebuilt through small choices that heal you. If you're serious about protecting your health, your energy, and your independence, hit that subscribe button now. Turn on notifications so you never miss a life-changing tip, because your strongest, healthiest years are still ahead. Your body's ready, are you?